This place is definitely on my bucket list. Also, what are we talking about today? Stay tuned.
Good morning, Malter here along with the fabulous Miss Lucy. Say good morning, Miss Lucy. She's a little tired and she wants to go back to sleep. She has her little mindset on sleeping some more. Thank you, Miss Lucy, for greeting everybody. Anyhow, I hope you're having a fabulous weekend. Usually I do a chit chat and a coffee on Saturday. I did not have a chance yesterday. It was a whole circus full of fun, let me tell you, and I really enjoyed the day. It was the first time I had the home healthcare nurse come in and do my wound treatment. That worked out really well, except for I think it was like almost an hour's worth of paperwork. Oh, yay, paperwork. Do you have a cup of coffee? Get a cup of coffee. This is not going to be a long one, but it's going to be a fun one. So, anyhow, thank you for all your comments. I love reading your comments. I know I did a coffee cup video of funny coffee cups that I found, and I wanted to talk about that. Then I'm going to talk about everything I bought. I bought way too much. I did this all while I was in the hospital, and it came, yay, it came all camping stuff. So you're going to love it. I'm going to answer a couple of comments, but not really answer a couple of comments. So anyhow, back to the coffee cup with the doggies. My favorite one was live your life as if someone left the gate open, because I'm that way. It's like, oh, woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. I can't wait to go and do something. I really can't. I have been sick for way too long. I am done with all this. Anyhow, so that one was my favorite. I used to have a German Shepherd whose name was Ripper, and the dog was aptly named. It was a great German Shepherd, and if you ever got in the backyard, if you ever jumped over the fence or anything, and yes, we had huge warning signs up. There was a reason why the dog's name was Ripper. All right. And then Lady Paul commented, I found your paw when I needed a hand. You know what? I love that one too. That reminded me of Miss Lucy, because I had all those doctors and I was so screwed up. I was, screwed up like a cheese. No, I forget that saying. But she really changed my life. Little by little, day by day, I started blossoming, and I blame it all on Miss Lucy. I do. Anyhow, did I say I'm grateful for all of you? Thank you for being with me on my journey. I really am happy. I am starting to get back to answering comments. The medication they had me on and everything, I was sleeping most of the day. Now I'm starting to be awake more and more every day. So we're getting there. I'm getting over that hill. The wound, oh my gosh, I'll keep you updated. Like, one of the tunnels in me was about that long, and just within this week, it's like this big, and it's like I have two of them, one on each side of the hole. So it's like, it's going away. It's going away. Maybe 2 more weeks. And, I feel bad because I want to get back, and I had all this work done so I can be in shape, but I can't be in shape and do my weightlifting because I don't want to tear the hole. Even if I do an arm exercise like this, I can feel it really strengthening this side of the body. So no weightlifting. I'll show you. It's just a thigh master, but I forget what kind of weight training it's called, but it really helps me out a lot. And 15 minutes every other day, I got that to spare. I am getting back to my walking, which I'm happy with. It's like the guy with the plates spinning the plates, and it's like, first you got to get this plate going, then you got to get that plate going. And, right now, most of my plates are falling. They're falling to the ground. I'm dropping them. I'm dropping the ball on a lot of things. Anyhow, I know I'm way behind. Also, I forgot to take one of my medicines on time, so I doubled it up with another medicine, and I had a huge allergic reaction. So that took me a day. It's like, yay, Terry, stop doing stupid. Don't do stupid. So now I got a book, a journal, so I can write what time did I wake up, what time did I go to bed, what time did I take this pill. This is how I live in the van, and being in a house, I take my medicine and I walk all around the house with it. It's like, oh yeah, I got to grab some water and take my pill, and it's like, no, you're going back to life in the van, the way you lived in the van, because I wasn't screwing up my medication when I was living in the van. Anyhow, all right, so let's talk about, you're going to love some of the products I bought, but first, my mini, I've done a lot of videos today. After my nurse leaves, if she gets here, I'm going to edit a bunch of videos. A lot of my viewers wrote in. Thank you, Go Frugal. I forget who wrote in the other one. Will it make toast? Can you make ramen soup with it? So I did a bunch of short little videos on all the things this can do. I just finished up a videotape. I pulled out my Yeti 500 X solar power battery bank. How much juice does it use when I'm running it? So, lots of really good comprehensive ones. This one's heavy, so I know my mini's in it. I told you guys I liked it so much. I bought backup my mini in case it dies. Well, this one's backup my mini, but I really, really love it. So, of course, Go Frugal. We're going to make some ramen in it, and I can't wait to try your recipe. Oh my gosh, that sounds so good. And in my short videos, oh my gosh, I have so many wonderful things from where, Monterey? Daiso. So, this one's a fail. We're going to talk about why this one's a fail. Maybe no, I don't have it upside down. I'm doing it right, but definite fail. So, yes, as my health returns, we're going to start doing it. Also, oh my gosh, I got to get rid of this heavy noodle cooker. We'll put you right here. We are going to do a dance-off. We're not doing a dance-off. All right, so these things are heavy to me, and I bet you this weighs like 3 pounds. All right, so this is my mini rice cooker. We're going to do a dance-off between this. This is much bigger than my mini noodle cooker, but it's lower wattages. So does it cook slower? Will it bring water to a boil? I have so many questions. So we're going to be comparing the two, which is wonderful. Okay, what else do I have? All right, so I watch my Canadian guy, and it's always freezing in his vehicle, and I saw him use this. Oh, thank you, Canada, for inviting me. I told you all in the Nepal one, I'm trying to break out of my mold. Is that it? Yeah, I'm not moldy, but I'm trying to break out of my mold. And I'm scared to do things like go to Canada, and I have a passport, so why not go to Canada? And most of my viewers from Canada invited me to Canada, so thank you for that. I know our fears are so silly. Anyhow, so he's camping in his car in 0-degree weather. I can't understand Celsius, Fahrenheit. We're Fahrenheit, but yeah. So I got this. This is 3-candle-candelier. Now, I'm never cold in my vehicle because I build Fort Sparkles, but if I do something more adventurous, yeah, it may be colder. I'm going to try that in the winter. I'll give you a review on that. But I just thought that was cool. And, when you're in the hospital, you don't have an opportunity to spend money. So I spent money on some stupid things, for the show, for everybody. I bought a new Blue Eddy. I bought the one that Bob's always raving about, the EB3A. So we'll do an unboxing. I got the 200-watt solar panel. Why would I get a new battery? Well, this one, it says it can run the cooker, my mini and everything, but I can recharge it up to 80% in under an hour. I think it takes 75 minutes, whether it's plugged in or with the big folding solar panels in an hour. So we're in not sunny San Diego. So if that can do it, yeah, definitely. Then one of the things I bought for my car is, you love it when I'm driving and I talk to you. Well, I need different angles, so I got another smartphone car mount. All right, let me look through my notes. We're doing Daiso, my mini. You're going to love it. Does it brown toast? I even bought, over at the Dollar Tree, they had Mrs. Fields chocolate chip cookie already not pre-made, the cookie dough. So I'm going to try that we can do a dance-off on both of them, the rice cooker and the noodle cooker, and see which one's better. Why? Because prices out here for food is crazy, and I don't want to carry around a bunch of butane. Some of the places, okay, I'm silly. This is nothing to be worried about, but the interior temperature of a vehicle can get really hot, and I don't want to have a lot of butane and heat. Okay. I'm looking at my notes. Okay, so both operations I had at the VA hospital, you know what the doctor said to me? Because every time I've gotten sick afterwards, whether it was a flesh-eating virus or what I'm going through now, it's like, I'm allergic to operations. No, I'm allergic to dirty operating rooms, is what it is. I haven't been sick since 1992. Anyhow, I'm going to hang up the phone now. Lucy, you want to say goodbye? Yeah? Oh, she does want to say goodbye. What? Oh, that's Monkey. I got these down in Old Town. They're so much fun. Come here, Lucy. All right. Everybody have a wonderful weekend, all right? What? She's all ready for her nap. All right. Goodbye, everyone. And I also like to say, put in your comments below if you have an idea for my mini recipe or anything. Put it in the comments below, or any camping question. I really enjoy all your comments and questions. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you all down the road. What you got, Lucy? What you got?